in the America duo. Say what Georgia ya media na suro. Mama tamfo nya me ya go me tutu o. Anya sa tell me so bad. And if one next year, yeah, why you no in bed ya washa. Ya na me send ya me say bad better. Say that for him man I'm up there. See bote. See bote. Yeah. Odo ye way. Otu kwa baya zada bawa. Zada bawa. I live fever, I'm putting in the bed to nana, then jam, nana, that's the woman I live fever, I'm putting in the bed to nana, then jam, nana.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Hello there, this is your favorite girl, Anna, and you're listening to Akan Kasiebo. What?
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Right, so Jedouble Ambule, poor man's story. 40 after 10 and 93.3 of I was young, what to say? Oh, yeah, that's right. Of course, so it's a Thursday morning, 30th of May 2024, and today happens to be the last Thursday of this particular month. We say goodbye to the month. Ever proper churches here now for your chair, I feel the moment. Jack, I feel what I say, oh baby, you go to Juana. I feel a coaching up pet near Chimumino. Go to Juana, what's in your maybe? Did you see on here? Ahenkan 93.3 of Yawada. And of course, this has always been the best mid-morning in the enclaves. Obiaji out to say oye. Obia side. Jumedi won't be tear papa. ECG 4 crass there. Won't do like to cry or far young phone or the tea. But the Macas at Munduno. 42 minutes after 10, 93.3 of we are still live and ready, and of course, we are ever ready to serve you. Myself and my able team, my able producers, Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabu, the Swag Papa, the Drip Lord, and man like OBK, your friend me Jenny me champion Kobina Boateng, over to me from Kobina Kosti. Over to me from our brand to the perfect gentleman. Mammy wish Auntie C a speedy recovery. Auntie C speedy recovery, yeah. Auntie Anopebia boys in the watch beam. Yeah. Yeah, but Transition energy ni peseko. I think I in the watching. About your young crown shall say my shoes right, bro. And then your council bidding come over to us from where we left last week. Managing in-laws and the extended family. Last week, yes, your property drew baby. This week, in so baby, see you know. Yet was a counselor in the boy. Wabuanko for baby. Titrune. Yeah, you didn't know Jumano or why you can't be brezo. You sure say more picking up my arm of friends or no? Or you saw our boy man, sir. The patch we are live on Facebook. Show no, it's live on Facebook. You wait till me join the search for Ahenkan 93.3 of not join the show live on Facebook. And I'll wait to me the or messages, dedications or shout outs. Go to media for 0533898915 0533898915. Now they are two now for the appropriate. I'm find check here, and then me the cash in China say free achim ajobie. Achim ajobie. Mama Mercy and Elder Steven. Me feeling mobasa. Mama meshada about Jobie, remember hoda. But mummy and Nunti meshada about Jobie. Or donna mo de chere me from a Jobie nefe. Ti meshada about Jobie pa. Eda me bounce no. Ebi a me mamonya we, mo be ho ase menimuni. Ti Mama Mercy and now for Elder Steven. Mo watchim ajubie. Ano pe nyankopon come home. I'm fine check since come Mr. Omen. I'm for come for Steve of Sanford Ventures. Good morning. Mr. Chumesi. Shaboya uno. Who Mr. Chumesi? Sa. Daddy Michao. Shabo say they be who. Maybe me who I check couple so me no. Hey, me anka sakra me good son crowd. That the fact me. Me bana abesrani adia. Afwe is when come Mr. William Beck. Watch my sene pin so mame. I send for you anything back up na salum with the Gambia. Nash. Nash. Nash self we met champa we from Nash we say nya wotre enra I say pabwa be dia ba no o be share be from na senya me adma Saturday me wari o Saturday we ya eti ba ba je pabwa ya ko I mean, that was just by the way. I mean, in the agriculture ground, you're serious and so kakra. Nanaya, oh, Bompire Junction, but I want to say, oh, your guy rope, Nanaya, the natural look beauty salon. Amanda, my name is Shape Naba, men pass Ronico. I was saying background, but you for I'm around. It's not been on a girl, so we're going to pay me chiamo. And I'll say exclusive beauty salon Frida or SDA Junction. And I'll say and come Michael, super original carpenter. Unya, the identity channel of Fonso Penoyama. Michael, me pay wardrobe way. I am 3 days no I me pempa way. Now I me penkunya way. Hey, that's just all your guy pa. Mama Hana, I will bring Michael Chenwa. Endra, Mr. Steven, Bani Busa, say, come na, there be a beast, ya can answer me. We are sure say that I'm saying, oh, call hoda. Oh, call hoda. Endra, ya. Maybe I did bike in a coin. Lady, I know, white and is it white and blue, right? As some Busa. And I'm so until Hana guy back, Casino would say, ah, our question now, Busa, shall I call dinner had here? And I was answering, what did you do? Ah, Messi won't call dinner shad here. Was a Guiana that they had Vetivia. Dress the Junction, Mama Hana, Gobe, or special Gobe. When I go Dibinadia, Mama Vida, or Jubilee Bridge and so. Mama, what's the what's Sunday me ache? And I was me a member magic. Good morning, and come on, our parties good in season. Level 360. Girls singing and pay me chiamo. And after check as yes when come Emmanuel Mauga will always be election. Dependable Beauty Salon, Masha Beauty Salon, DJ Lion Charities Fashion, Jajiwa Kamini Junction, Bana will be and I feel do Liberty entrance once more BM Kasiebo. Mr. Sari on our quality fashion. Honorable in cancer and right in cancer, so teach him level 360 or say, come na the BMT show. So, mama, shout out to that. Yeah, honorable for me. It's honorable in cancer. Honorable, I did my watch you. Just a big shout and come out. And oh, there's another guy. I mean, obviously, be a show. I am a fan. I am a referee. Mom, with tear show, and the young point, you know, says it. The young point just said, never too much, and I want her cry more news for Cramba. I will move come on in his room. And then the wife guy will count cruising in the idea. Mamamichia, Achimadan Government Hospital, my people. It's young command, Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, Nana Joanna, face of Madam Maggie, Moachimadan Government Hospital, Family Planning Units, a whole animal. Philippa, the mama say, Moachimadan Government Hospital. Obama Mapa, and you see your head over coma streets. I know that government hospital girls in your hello to the taxi drivers, Brad David Apasco, Raouf MP3, Staga Obama, Ricardo Tanko, Batampa, Jonathan, Ambrose Richmond, Apia, Amos, Jerry, Brad Kwame, and Piero. Salis to us, yeah, that's it. Ye be free, man. Nekaka Krebi, driver for the list, and ye be free. About what the Casa of the high 93.3 FM. At the back of the alright, so music from the legendary Jedouble Ambule, because this one Poor Man's Life. Ohieni Abrabo. Ohieni Abrabo, Pesa Chile out to be Chile. Pesa 360 out to me, but level 360 there. Obi at me, baby. Because Sikabia who be an Obabanya Bibiano, Banyana Marginia, it's level 360 and born you. Because if you want to chill, just pass through level 360. If you want to have fun, pass through level 360. 4 months life, the double ambulance. Good morning, have a wonderful day.
The Mid Morning Show, have a blessed day.
What am I in trouble? I say, maybe come on. Living like a poor man is not easy, especially if you don't have money to spend. Living like a poor man is not easy, especially if you don't have money at all. Living like a poor man is not easy for this world. Hey. If you don't get the money, wait till you go do. Tell me, wait till you go say. When the kids are crying, yeah. Landlord to the wait. Wahala day for work side. Your woman to the trouble you. But let me tell you, a hungry man is an angry man. So make you turn to God, oh my brother. For this world is full of greed, full of hate, full of suffering. Make it stop your lying, my brother. Stop your cheating, oh. Stop your hate, everything, oh. I say stop your fornicating, hey. Living like a poor man is not easy, especially if you don't have money to spend. Living like a poor man is not easy, especially if you don't have money at all. Living like a poor man is not easy, especially if you don't have money to spend. Living like a poor man is not easy, especially if you don't have money at all. Yeah.
So where is the lie? Where is the lie? Living like a poor man is not easy at all, especially when you don't have money to spend. When the kids are crying, when landlord is knocking at your door, when there are certain things you need to provide. So the other day, someone was telling me, say, Charlie, having rich friends no be problem. But I'm gonna tell you, say, like as they can buy Hennessy for road count. That way you can realize, say, so now you're poor. And as I say, no grow. Having rich friends is your problem. But when they call you, Charlie, buy to Hennessy back over. That way you go remind your body, say, hey, my level no rich there, so I'm a poor man. So living as a poor man, certainly, a headache of
You're cheating.
Unisika also Hoggers baby. Are you okay? What's
Stop your hatred
Unisika, you are cheating.
and stop funny.
Unisika, you are fornicating. Legendary Wati Ambule. Unisika was a primary threat. Hey, Maza, you're steady. Oh, so this movie, Charlie, so it's been long. I've been telling you guys about movies, right? Yeah, I went on hibernation. Me hibernating me kakra. So there's this movie recently, me who's a trendy. People are talking about it. Prophet Sardine, yeah. Me who's a part 2 in a trendy. And I said the is it second episode, right? Or yes, or second edition or something. Me who's a no trendy, so I was like, oh, me share no. Robert, me share one. It's in around 10. I went online to download the movie. Charlie, one share Prophet Sardine. Go and watch the one. We are not sure too. Me and then I'm sure too. And then my point, I just go relax, open my legs wide, and then watch the two.
Stop your lying.
Charlie. Me update team or movies I check move on chemi. Make a hibernation and I'm a can. I know police if I'm before the gumi so say. Duncan Williams Modiana me high pay and we be has
Especially if you don't have money at all.
or share one shut them feeling. So the fact of the matter is that movie, I mean it's an average movie. Make I say me can reduce, make I say don't expect too much. They say send them a can bread of life. Bread of life, no, me my appetite no cost. So I told you say it's a classic movie. You see, I didn't lie. Just last week or last 2 weeks, it won an award, me boy. And even the actors in the lead actor won an award for lead role or something. I wasn't lying. Because my share movie, I felt, yo, this is a classic, this is a standard movie. It's maybe kind. And I'm winning award no crowd treasure what I said was true. It's maybe a taste of sin. I told you said don't expect too much from a taste of sin. Because it's an average movie. Yes, very average movie. For me, the storyline, everything was just on point, but there wasn't any wow factor in the movie. I said it. So those of you bashing me, if Yampofa was bashing me this morning because there wasn't any wow factor, I said, sister, me catch you. Me catch you said don't expect so much. But for Prophet suddenly, I heard the second one was shot in Ghana. It was shot in Kumasi. Because me who I've seen teasers, I've seen trailers of the part 2. Sofu bi shen koma nipa ne catch and saying no Ukrainian that this is here. My share you know. But the part 1 there Joe it inside. It makes sense. So go and watch the part 1 before the part 2. While I share part 1, I mean you know what I'm talking about. While I share part 2 so no. Just send us a text 0533898915. It be moku spend on a data and I say yanto your dream. You have a daily dose of motivations. So daily dose of motivations. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Adaromana Eddie and Cranch Assem Edinburgh. So Color Studios are watching Modern Liberty Transport opposite Kenough Marcy as usual. Ohana be hono. Baba chokona kuchamfoni. Picture framing near the Adina Oko. Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Papa Chopa. When you bet you say. Mobile woni a John Besorti o. Na wakoma so de nya be. Nti no e ba embroidery exchange ntade na yemfa odin to achi fa odin to anim. Yemfa o picture nto atade no ma ni na ba colors use eh. Friends 0245276638. 0245276638. Now to our daily dose of motivation. So there's this word and I said this phrase, I beg your pardon. There's this phrase, if opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. A phrase, and today I really want to let you understand this phrase properly. Do what it? But the number so what you see pa. And see, I can say if opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. It means if opportunities are not coming to you, then create your own opportunities. Opportunity no embaya. Me patro create with ye. Now a person you say, work or school for 4 years, when you degree, fine. And I say school be out when you certificate, fine. What the certificate near chia per ejuma no unyaye. Me patro. And no one say you're useless in the society. No. Put that certificate somewhere. Put it aside. Now, ye BB create some sort of income. Create the opportunity, no. Don't wait for people or for someone to employ you before your certificate is now being put into use. What you say? Man can say employer. Recently, many will be doing come over here this side. Warrior nurses training. Young postino. Or child SCA. Or child or private school. And to me, it makes sense. To me, ABI one doesn't make sense to you, but me. For Oba tena fa akon. Sebi a on yehwe no. Oba ye nyoma bi ani kwan so ye. She would she would start depending on men. Ebasana, she will be classified as quoted unquote, sa word no. What you say? But who say government enya emfa me adwuma, enya post media. I won't be useless. Let me find something useful, something meaningful to do with my life. She's now cheating. What does it? She's cheating. Hey. She's cheat. Hey, Emma. Charlie, that's not the count. She the cheats. Hey, she the. Can I do? Teach. Exactly. 18 on the say. At the chronic Maya, me patrol. Miss Real. Please. Man, can you? Yeah, one first I want more. Also, I say video be by I know be ton chako. Or see what tech who need man, what leg who need. People were laughing, people were making fun of what the man was saying. But see, these things, it don't make sense. Oh, yeah, employer. Fine, you have your degree, you have your diploma, you have your HNDs, you have whatever. Ejumane mbae, then na obeye. Oba transi ya undidi. Untonsio. Oba ye wenyi na. Etime pacho. The cost of it. If you want to make a talk the cheat, no. But anyway, we find Chavi. Bibi ya jimaju free motivational message also. But anyway, we find Chavi. So back to what I was saying. Make yourself useful. So opportunity name buyer, create your own. Minimum call for muton toast. Or your nursing, your friend Benis. Or we are Winiba nurses training. Or no or school. You're posting or tontos or down market. Yeah, why we need your friend Benis or tontos or down market. Send come back as a my nursing training, you know, my mentor and posting there, but she's still doing something for herself. What I'm trying to say is that sometimes opportunity in my creativity. What I say, creativity, ye baby, now opportunity and some fun on bra. And you know why you way, why ye who said was so fast so. Why you time I be post you as a time opportunity nan kasa de na ho beba no now we are very much okay in life already. What you say me ntwen ma obi enka se osi nu fa so ansa na be ya oya na ba ko pe bibia ye yen yete yi na ye radio jman. There are other things we are doing aside radio. What you say entinu se ba ko pa na je say una be se me che no enya ye pa ni abetra radio so Ahenkan FM for yeda wase pan se mo kan ho ni en tran bo mu ni ade me pa mo cho ye free Ghana mo ko amombre e twa ye ho sisi ya na se nka mu fi se nka ye free Ghana nka ye be ye den ye be ka se mo ho ye do mu nti ye nko biem ye ntra ha ni nya ye mbre mo boa ye be ko mo be bre ni ye ko.
So Famuko na yarbe to muntum gra. Yesu bebebe ya besi mwe ana.
Bra kwesi me kunu pnia na epne se memfa ni nkoni krom o. Ko ni malaria tete ne dodo.
Oh, Ava 1 herbal capsules and a mixture. Ebubu yare gu for me monte. Enem de ade asiemu. Se ban koko yare ade a edura ohia ne Ava 1 herbal capsules. Ebu adwuma pa. Na na mixture me kira Ava 1 herbal mixture study. Malaria suro no kokokoko. Etu malaria se. Wenu mu ato. Awana de o. Umpo mu ayemre. Bobi Omodosu nyana drugstores and herbal shops. Jomo number 05544800062. Ava no ye ALVA. Edro nya mapemfo. Nyoma ne benufo. Ene abofra ondi fie dumien. Oya malaria test. Na say positive. We durani Ava 1 herbal mixture. Wa kimoda open dudu etu a. Obehu omo pepiasa mpedu. Omo Akim State College junction ne so. Abu main road ne so. Ubenye biso ato Amwafo drugstore. Kenop pharmacy. Ochiniba drugstore. Akim State so. Bosome pharmacy. Ena Achime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava 1 herbal capsules nene mesha peking crime FDA aji ejwedi enkrato yatu
Mido asa na de fia ehwampao
ha eye ban 20 ena ma efia ehwehwe hwamsa no
eno so ye supira na
eye JA Binding and Co Limited ena wo mode sa nyoma we nyina badwa so enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no enyoma ne se bebre
niema bi tse dan na wo ho
Panzo ne nanse nkwada nyoma eni atse wan eye parazo no na medisie
Mido me fan fitira opotobidi ni na afro na ade ba ade na wudi ahohura potobidi isi
eye akasha no na mede atu apopo bebre nyina se no bia papa pata susu nyina so atse wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eye JA Binding snake reparent na mede atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wa horo won sai uhu ana ai enu aso na mede wo horo ncha si mu nyina da
ene we die medi adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
JA Binding wo mo nioma no ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so po matu a ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho akasa na factory no esie
ba me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mudin ni body say
eye JA Binding and Co Limited
ja me dru ho sesia
I was built to be the best, number one and nothing less.
The European soccer season is over, and Ahenkan 93.3 FM has taken over. Ahenkan Intertowns Football Gala. Now we there a bastard Nangasa.
When the bra will be to me actually what Duma Chede our ball boom. You hear me say, when you crow a baby Mrantia Makumaku Eduma 18 man squad. I be Jim Ediamo Crow our Ahenkan FM Intertowns Football Gala.
Let us be in the town team ever. You hear me say, Ubeba Ahenkan FM. I will achim abuabo. Your front desk, no be for form.
Forms a free affiliation fee a 300 Ghana cedis.
And Massa Kwenya we empower who na Empire na Ega and Nigen Jama Mumome Kromubaya Dankasa, the sports team of Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Ebe Storm Group BM near the live commentary Abramo Wamra Yesi Sakai.
Now me got the Jama section gun eguno. Obeti Jauna to be Jauna to be Elijah Ahenkan FM Intertown Football Gala. Ebeye there.
Na some person register so number be friend
0241 512388 0241 51 2388.
Enyumaku a eta yechi near the Ahenkan FM Intertown Football Gala Abramo and
Kempon Football Academy.
Soccer at its best.
Frames Oil.
Energy on the go.
Asenso Furniture.
So whoop furniture papa a new fee.
Downwook Enterprise.
Say eba hardware e won kranin important dia oteso
Enkasa Fabrics.
Whoop fabrics papa apam na fatawa enwan enkasa
Angel Bakery.
Eye pano show pano de
St. Philip's Enterprise.
Enter the penny na fee and a vitamin eye duani enkasa.
Ahenkan FM Intertown Football Gala. Ebafe Bay. Ebeya Piso. Kashe Bay.
Stand up for the champion.
Mido, asa na di fia e hwampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 enama efia ehwehwe hwamsano.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA ban ni Nko Limited. Ene wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Niema bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nansen kwada nyoma ni ate se wan. Eye parazo enu ana me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afro. Na ade ba ade na ahohura potobidi isi
eya akasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina ase no bia papa pata susu nyina eso atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Bani Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedema wa horo won sai uhu ana ai enu aso na me de wo horo nchasi mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse akira mansan fa no mo wo
JA Bani wo mo nioma no ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabuase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo panido so pomu atua ubenya bi ewo kasua Winneba Road ho akasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mudin ni body say
eye JA Bani Nko Limited
ja me dru ho sesia
Mafili, esana chile. Hanso ye guy. Minya, baby, I obetina jiwani. Awasu mejo. Ehu hiao. Level 360 pop nkwa. Ena ubenya sa ultimate experience no. Level 360 pop. Ebi na pon ato hama. Obi opeso ye birthday. Obi opeso ye graduation. Metre empon ho. Ana empo birthday bia no. Bra. Siketwie bi enim. Na emom obeton sawa ha. Football games bia so no. Bra. Na behwe. Ye was secure car park. Jack. Ye security airtight. Ye wa mantra top ha. Twitter phone mu ha and I be level 360 pop Jack no boys no girls munina mum brani engi ni be sre 0540 535777 0540 535777 na jinchire mu achi me level 360 pop e be ma ultimate pop experience. Hi, you're from your foreman. Mejuma Sweni, Inti Obia Pemasem. Sawudi Wajuma Shamisa. Mesha se, Wusika Enco Waste. Inti, Metomino Menina Free Jump Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mensa, Anna, Chairman Mensan Chain. Enti Sawupe Cement, Gasem, Diamond, Anna says, Simaf, Nina, Ubenyebi Ato, Mr. Mensa, Anna Chairman Mensan Chain. Open Nadwa, all inches, iron rolls, 16mm to quarter rolls, POP, plaster balls, Kenoff, Papa Panibi,
fiber, set tinting anatetia, opeshri barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empom, opa butchery paint, home champ, big and as a small size. Nina, ubenye biatowo, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, anasa Chairman Mensa Cheng, or Wakameni Junction, on Ijaji and a Dinshanim, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880. Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
Asem Papa Biamati, oye, Asem Papa Biamati offer. Oye,
Asem Papa Bena watia offer oye, yedi asem dano no.
Oh minia, HJ Africa. Domini CSR Ghana heya. Eno makabom. Eno mami how to atwa nei. Metu sa anyum yo. Omakwafa organic fertilizer ba. Eye wofuo ni ye. Esiesi asase epamumwa na ma ono ba no eso doso.
Kuafo ni ene fertilizer ho ye din. Yenya bi kura nto ebo no so ayetare.
Eno so tiri mani je essence offer kakra bi bottle ba ko 2 acres ebeye ne kama na ba so se doso enu ntina me bo hu dawro ediama Ghana kuafo nyina se opo ma kira kwan a from 055 5592707 and I say 05045944469. Any baby I talk where you know maybe
offer organic fertilizer.
As a baby I offer. Oye, offer. Oye, offer. Oye, offer. Kakrabis will not buy no.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Oh, Eja Onyami, Wamba, for a bread. Oh, what may you?
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Okay, so 20 after 11, we are back on the radio. Yeah, quick enough for any council and got to also from where we left last week. Managing in-laws and the extended family. Nah, quick. When him said they be ame batrano ma be the level 360 be go asum. The be ame batna hankwa dia me the level 360 be the be go asum. Na me were questions back home you be was me busa uzo. In the ABA now you are looking for the ultimate spot to unwind and have a blast there. Now my sister, my brother, look no further than level 360 pub, located on a Mantra Jubilee Hospital Road. So at level 360 pub, we've got it all. I mean, great music, delicious drink, and a lively atmosphere that will keep you grooving all night. So whether you are celebrating a special occasion or just looking for a fun night out with your friends, level 360 pub is the place to be. Our friendly staff will make sure you have an unforgettable experience, serving up your favorite cocktails and ice cold beers with a wide range of music genres, from the latest hit to the throwback classic. Our talented DJ will keep the dance floor packed and the energy high. So get ready to show off your moves and make memories that will last a lifetime. So level 360 pub says come over, just come and have fun, just come and say it. And on 60th of next month, level 360 is having another session of live band music. And the live band music in the air, yeah, the better what's he say? Just come and have fun, but now see no feeling, no boys, no girls. So we'll pon one queen at the hobbits, my baby, or birthday a queen at the hobbits, my baby. Level 360 our mantra quans to Jubilee Hospital. My patch of 0540 535777. Level 360 pub. The fun never stop. The Jam Trading Enterprise I be a ton cements. The ton has done see hunyoma. The ton iron rods, POP, plaster boards, marine boards. My patch of sopa dance see hunyoma ton quandia. Baby, I was all doing a Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensanchen. And I'll pay co-host this year. Nakoto dance here on your project now, you know, a Jam Trading Enterprise. Now, what's the call? But what your co-host say, when you better say, Mr. Nichra Kawa Company Junction, when they jaji and the ones a yen nimu. Aha. On the jaji and the yen nimu. Friend was 0208-123-872-0244-566-880. 0244-566-880. 0208-123-872. Old App Kwanzaa Trading. Old App Kwanzaa Trading. Papa Joe and so a biaya. One more time beverages a hodo. To say inside the alcohol woman in the alcohol in and now for so paying you bit to Bell Aqua. Open Bell Aqua products. Open Vortex Special Ice, Verna, and all other mineral waters there. As a mineral water, I beg your pardon. For when you trim away Old App Kwanzaa Trading, and I'll pay over to alcohol. Now, what could pay be near the you throw engagement a year program birthdays. Mobile here, you sure, mobile here, drinks, softs, drinks and alcoholic drinks na de nyina wo benya bi on chem ba cho wo kira kwan e wa chem man so close to the Sawmills and now finish no drew achim across on so a wo mo e wo crossing opposite Otolega Information Center and I say Polo Bicycle Repairer or and I'll be old app Kwanzaa Trading for 0549 530 462 and 053 470 8142. Old app Kwanzaa Trading. Once there, Brasisia, Droyeba Center, our Peony Junction, our Chim Swedru Kwanzo, Woman Handsets, Beauty Salon, and a war Falcon. Etiko and chain, I won't fight Drew and Count. Now, woman to ya running in a singing from out. Konomun to ya rena singing from out simple graph. Patrol Fair one, it was 0599419321. Yarea Hudupi, Omutua Sia on my sway. My face, you know, from Pond Enterprise in Crabatano at Dawson. You go sway about who they rode the amount. You go sway a cow say about from Pond Enterprise at Joe Wasumba Joe. Because provisions upon provisions, they Joe a chapu. Aye chapupa, it's bra, from Pond Enterprise. Udruman Derina Hotel on my shop tobacco. Company episode to be our provisions, cosmetics, Bibia, from Pond Enterprise best hotel. And our fame, Akan Kasiebo Udru, or the new marketing continuum branch once wa shop no ho about the TVs, fridge, electrical accessories, Bibia, or Subenya Bia Tanaza. Our fame. Udru Absa Bank ni opposite. Absa Bank ni opposite. Or Honsono Obehu from Pond Enterprise. Brand new shop no. A year Juma 24/7. 24/7. Oho na kudijanisa. Provisions, cosmetics, stationaries, drinks and idea BBBR at a very affordable price. From Pond Enterprise, and there was so called the batch of from Pond 0244897525 0206473953 0242111236. Jumera also what the papa check Mauli Fruitus Ventures. Mauli Fruitus Ventures. The batch of Mauli Fruitus. I watch him when she back also away at Chim Swabe. So we do a chim when she at chim swabea. A patch up over whom I will fruitus ventures. Not near my will fruitus, I want to swear and say, we a contractor. Now, Opa say, we a construction works. And now we a miner. Now we are mining works. Now open bulldozers, excavators, loaders. In fact, heavy duty machines and now machines. Now what they are here. Now wasum a Joe. Now my ujumana cost come upon them out there. I was so about my will fruitus ventures. One more machines I can say. Also over to me Eddie ujuma bia. Na nyoma akoso come upon Eddie Mawanasa. As it called my will fruitus ventures. After insurno. One more ever canopies I was renting. One more mattress. One more in Kunya yedi aye fro. Nya ye fro be ma betina so oba betina so. In fact their bride ni groom ni betina so no. One more ever be bebre. Different ones and at different types. Into ba ma will fruitus you be sort to at. The patch your cars or on my bit with the deliver when you na the amount come upon. And you would see me what ha or fancy. Baby I will be out here my will fruitus more and as I will hear more. No money we know. Now our phrase 0541 470-857 at 0200-787-889. Mauli Fruitus Ventures. Me patrol chawon tum se sia na fe. Mon prapre cheni adia. Hey, akwa no ale. Unya ba ko okwa na wadana. Hey, chaban. Wadana ma yo science ah. Yam prapre chese se ya. Now so en che ne counselor. Aberdeen come also. So last week we spoke about how to manage your in-laws. How do you tolerate your in-laws? How do you talk to them? Only on democrat saying, and I'll say only on sitting them so at saying. So today, counselor will join us very soon. Now you have this conversation. Last week, any chance here, to me and we, and this week is no. Ye preparation simple cry. Ye preparation say ya. Then counselor you do no boy him. I can't wait for tomorrow. So just last week where we have that fun. Or try Friday view. We have the content temple. And channel yanko pan for now ben no boom pom pom pom. Ona mu be hu mu amaso be ye na mu amaso be ye no. Sisi our channel Friday. I'm be fan of Ben Sisi, but the pom pom pom. Maybe I may have it, maybe it's a front row, maybe it's a front row. And Kofobi will have me home or have me tears here. You be a demonstration. The day about you better say you number back to hell. On Ankasa Yanko Pankas, we know who so much honey panabao. Young Koye, then I cancel and couldn't come. Cancel a cover.
Yeah, Governor.
Patro Biaboko.
Oh, Yamiatum Biaboko. Now, I say protest ya uchi. Yami Omona Bemuna and Yade.
This is our channel Friday. On morning town now, young Quay, ya brew.
Yes, you know, you must be what you do that.
I love it. Oh, no, what is that? No, boy, you're Pesel, because you know, my cost 1 10 times Cassian, so told me who I am crashes me. Say, right the boy, Ben.
And no, dear, what boy are being one day? We are there, we are to go.
Hey,
you know, Ayana, Ushiana.
Last week, Saturday. Me ko hosti award awards night baby. Now I mean normal for awards night the kind of dresses and comfortable. But things I saw nyoma hu me miss me hu nyoma. Say radi ye ba no.
See, opeso atwe ama sanko foni na no. Then ya hu no no nyɛ evidence. Ono nya ni sa. Aha, opeso bia na the time. The opeso odi kan dia eja kitine. Fonda kafu ye wasi hoyi. Woman na ya to tell your man what come and you bet me ya kwan we di kan kwatena front road.
Oh ben no man cause see first me kai say growing up yeah be very familiar with the internet no. Now in Kofo can say internet will soon take over the world, internet will do this. See yeah be drew sa level way. And AI, I mean AI has been introduced to the system now. And I am scared. My fear is that some 5-10 years to come and you're my him. And be said there be because time computer ain't me and jeans then this new technology can't also fake things like send expecting.
Well, on the now I can may have some baby if it is only about the mindset, young to say any pension, you might be breaking and some. Yeah, you can see any pa, you pay any panyoma. So, sometimes, can be brea, what's some bad thinking? But on one in India, no, your man and ma. See, if you are safe, whatever they want, baby, on person, maybe, but they need control. Nemum ye delay na ne because we did because no one ye dim abi do samre. I think that if she be born be wo ho ka ye hu because wa kakra ye de benum su
sure the omundi be bia and then 3 years so mate say each Ghanaian e ka Ghana ni bi ade nye ka ketua ya bre
what ya say ana ni be bia na no
ka Ghana ni bia de no na me boss ma ke twa ye say na cafe a mo se me di
one boss aka de go na me ne se di ba kode ne dwan ne ko di ya na de ne ko to ya
asewo
me de aka no
o ma sase ne pepe ye ne aba mo pelefoni adua pe aden
aban mu mpanyinfoɔ no kɔpɛ bosia sɛ ɔde ba bɛboa me na wafa ama na ɔne ne fie dɔlɛ ti ku ne dɛm a yɛakɔ hu no wobɛsa ka kyerɛ me mi sɛ me sɛ nipa no yɛde ka sei
yɛnyɛ de ka pɛ
wade aseɛ ɛnyɛ ne wuo ɛnyɛ ase fam na ɛda ko ɛyɛ nkrabea obiara time wobɛso mmerɛ no yɛni nka so
sure
wagye yɛ wo sɛ ɛnɛ na wo you are empowering, so you are thinking every.
Councillor, your friends na nkofo be twabo me say me ye politics. Me so the politics is no lie.
Oh, your politics, you put on your consensus no can.
Ah, me dey. Ba fu we dey me to ma MPP no medwane na ma kan ma bere. I grow with so. Yeah, twice. Maybe see last week the managing in-laws and the extended family.
So I'm just as you are saying, I mean, you know, you are the infantry. Yes, but if we are seeing a corner there, we can't do anything about it. Just that, send a kind, ye dear Lemua, ye pet, ye dear my near your nominee, Kunami and Ma. Now, Muswabe who at this because you will be a chat up, I mean, a swabber, whereby our parents and then kind of our grannies no far. We have to transform and I said transfer all those knowledge, you know, to others. Now, I who say that fine way sooner or fire to get in phone, young cock, na young cosia. May you so I say it is a Minya Konya Bisaya, Ayana, if I say Memfa Emma, a tip would name who says that you way na ya, Takanka cra, didn't I bet you drew. The last week near Shasia and so them. Any other bushing of Foka Cano. They move a bowler with any man and transfer anymore. A yana toda and sweating in your mind insurance is so. Nemo, the Quamben ever fast to us, Uncle for a better for the form. Quamben ever fast to us, Uncle for don't quiet your better. Quamben ever fast to us, and if a cool, you know, you don't the way of your betting, you know, between a more far. So, you can't your money be free. Then I know medical as your free says. Communicating openly. Then I say communicating openly. Now me person you say yes. How well now only one so no it in common. I want to mention me question medical bita a for say how well crime ben our fast so any one so no it in common and I answer a yes. Oh, I will only way and let's say we shall from. Nemo crime ben our fast so one of an free to be ball so and I said a jum. Oko Jimmy Flo with your phone. If you told us any more who you mano, they are looking at it from a different angle, and I also from a different angle. Now, how do we blend the two? If you quite ben over Fasua, over ma only one so in terms of Inkita, you know, quite ben our fast to sell. If you don't communicate openly, one man so no man thing you may be a fear, a bit create a lot of problems. They might think say what your mobile free. I mean if you don't communicate well, they are always going to say no, they say there what we here there you what we here there they say only and it is going to create a lot of problems. If you are able to communicate openly, they will begin to understand you. But not saying and soon be a super special. And soon be a super special. May you see our word no. And soon do what? But not say ma and they are always on point. And yes, sir, by yes, sir. Nyachum and soon be a make one. So Mobaba no Efuma, or money who's a wasum. So Sebi as soon so Fuma, or Mumu Quay on the Faso, and Master when we say baby, and not dear way dear. sana mo ye otu yi di amwa ensu num bi kwabna me se me chomo so a me sorry de bia they are always there. They are always there. Nemom se okoya asu bi a men kasa wonye nemom one unso wase ase a you are always going to create problem in the family. De bia no obeye nyoma eden tokwa. De bia obeye nyoma ebe akoye se ase wukunu enni suban ana woyere enni suban. Ebe akoye se afede woni umame atimu up against wukunu. And I said, when we hear a team up against, I mean, yeah, this is what I want to say. Because the woman would chow more. Oh, who be as a normal? Was on the Baba and Atna, when in the Baba Subai, and as I say, what about you know? It is one communicating well, one man who trim report about Sebi, our yes, I be a human nana, okay, unim coma, unim bit. Sebi, unim coma, unim bit. So, oh, yeah, Baba no. Say ya and I said beginning I say a two busham nessa or babane banao bema no say anything nase danyoma we ni na one mana and so you anya one or won't see anymore one master opinion sometimes cry but I have furniture only we be discussing only we be discussing na a fa was na a year was the only on I bema no na one ma we mum and no mammy and new come name one cause how you take up that mantle to speak to your in-laws. It is one of the best. It is one of the best. I was saying, to be our food. The one who hear it and now to be sometimes it is the and as I mean, sometimes it is the best for the opposite side. No, so only what you mumbe din komo. So you kunua and now only we hear to be home. Efa who kunu no ma men ho a. But what's the ban on any woman and nin komo? Let her speak to her about the issue. And now, Bemani Papa no ma, what's about any new come? The same way now, the only a year ukunu is to be home. Now, concerning the family, and I say, oh, mammy, and I say, papa, ma what's the Bemano ain't can't ask them on some ain't a young son. It is one of the respectable things that if you're a man and now you're a woman, you should know how to do it. It brings a lot of glory to the family. And as a marriage, you know. Yes. I saw anywhere do. And you may be our ban, oh, Castle one Castle Mamia. One never cheer because of police on one a wall. Or police say, one never cheer on Siasia mouth. But say, I still didn't with Jimwa. I thought that because of us still winning failure, and in the real still winning more. They don't even want to argue. I'm with Gina Supreme. If we say, on your as to when money can preoccupy na oka. Or I bet you say, on any year now, Ginny home. So be sure on any area, some that there is some form of unity, there's some form of cohesion, which means another ma a so crab button, you say, no, my daughter or my husband is in the same hand. Good. Most of the time, no, allow a crew to talk to your mom. If there is an issue, any issue, allow your wife to be speaking to your on issues. Now, on say a mummy no and a mushu no and a mokan. Yes, because then you are so bad thing you may be asking another fun you may be no. One way you bet in that creative problem. Come now, Mammy, can't word way, and as I'm you to the next point, whereby I would say that, oh, yeah, how to manage the percent and so on sometimes. Almost free and so set, and you say, be a pambon, so but young percent, or mobile be a problem, almost interfere, almost you may be a mobile, and our dear name of Frano. Sometimes we need to show appreciation. We need to show appreciation. How many husbands will do this? How many wives will do this? It's a big problem. A year thing say, Kwabna, you better ask you any man, you better what and so no mabaso. A year thing, because I saw no, you, Kwabna, you don't make a fast, Maba. I brand you better come up about it, not the mammy about you. It can't be any tear.
Aye.
Ababa, Abranche be there akobo na so ba anani nkumafo abaso. Ye all famous here. Obey den afa phone. That's so ye uye de me that's. I say manage the way what it will be, what obey at me. I say send your econo. Assemba the way I obwamema, you say be just to the aso Nami Shroud. I say ye cope be to me the mofre be jaw. Now only in Kuma for na me yerenui to me a shema me call a ba amasuji a ba. Come now how many of our husbands and wives are able to do this to their in-laws? Corner now ye quay yeba yebefana enwa no. Kwala wensu ye kwala bia kwamna kosti nkwala bremfo ibia. How do you handle some of these children? But ubekwa ba no na nyoma damage awa kosu ofie ho no. That is all. And people find it very difficult appreciating their in-laws. If you should do that, you'll be creating a DBA sebe. Unanka wo ho kwan se obi si ano. But usuni obenti went to si ano. What I say. This is one thing we should learn. Learn how to appreciate. Ma ensonum ama omuhunyao. Omujube bi omudino ma wani so. Sana me say that is the right word I want to use. Ma wani so won sonum. Because some komusu nimu a enkebe problem. Unkuma afo no. Yes, oyere no mo no ayama wani enku omo ho. Because they are also there in one way or the other. They are performing certain roles that you might not even be aware. Yes. Sebi so that ayana bini ho. Bana ba uku won kan kiro. Ba oyere won kan kiro. Eya ono ani nya ba no, anani nya ba ma bi. Anane maame, anane papa. Ena sebi yo odi sika ne ba ya yetumi yeye. But oba ne kan kiro ana ba ma no kan kiro. So you might think say ebia sebi eye if oba ne nya ya na onya ya na ba ma ne fiti ya na sika ne ba ya. Wan bo wa ma ne point of fast so onya se sika no no. Debi. Sometimes mama ye nim so. And if you are able to appreciate them in that manner, it would help at the peaceful atmosphere. You be mother and a baby bush. A baby with new family now, person would see. All right. But my mention is saying, let's support each other. Semeka say support each other. Obi babu that they are some na making. Say, yam mo boy ho. O yiri no frebusiam, okun frebusiam. But na me no ka say ebia ono na oye the breadwinner. Ono na ye abujuani na yetumi born ho ka. Ni nuano ma no so ye bema, ni nuano ma na edi na chi na no. Eye wu kunti o man tumi anko school. Kwabra so ni that situation
bebre.
Yetumi ono na abujuani sika ni na e ma ne kwa aburuti so nko bobra. If you want the family issues no, kwabra I thought that I am not thing. But I ask you as a wife, how do you support your husband in dealing with such issues? I ask you as a husband, how do you support your wife in dealing with such issues? Oyere ono na yedi sika ono no ye bapani anaso ono ye kechiri. Ono na sebi na niti na dwene mu da ho a obetumi asua de nti abusua boai na ode yedi sika ni na ama no so ono do mfensua de na me adom ye doctor or nurse we wei. Abusia expect a lot from her. But or the no so be wura our dear. Bema no the no be wura our dear. Nanso na kabusia ehwe ne say and can say nyame aye na dom an nsa so na tidie and ka won nane no hwe yen. But sebi e bi enko ne sa. So how do you support your husband to overcome this great task? It's the majority of in-laws are intervening and I say, the borrow up our day, my prayer, they want to come with a sad year with what bread, what it's in the bowl, the Babaman. When you do my year, I was so for it, but what if you are in China? But Tony Mamia did, what Tony Papa did. It's the mamma bar on the young and the Becassa. The branch any papa bar on the yow and the kata. The bio and my so bad, the same thing because you are not helping, you are not supporting each other. Debbie, We don't do it like that. They be obenya problem. They be obenya problem. Omu feel say omu nyanka wo so abanye. No kure eyampanso. How do we deal with such people? How do we deal with such people? So yo kunwa kwambe na abefa so abe support no abra sebi o pese o buwa busia o yo yere nso a kwambe na ukun be support o abra on so pese o buwa busia. It is a very critical issue, a very serious issue of which people have turned deaf ears to. If you feel it, no, bra or pray now, pray. If you die, or pour it out. Because the Mikuma made your heart, the Yerema made your heart, on heart, you or castle or Cambria or prayer, what they share, a buy one or whatever, and I say, quite of fast what they share, Bemana, Uber Tower. But here is the case, time a true say, whom you know, who may do soon as so no, it is not forthcoming. Into Muslim Yamasum as we are not whatsoever. I am not talking about the but this is how I want it to be. The Burma is sorry, no one ere, maybe so and so no so. Or Banson sorry, now more Burma, maybe so and so no so. Yes, that is what I am talking about. But it is not forthcoming. There always going to be issues. The next one, probably might be the last one I want to talk about it. Conflict resolution. Conflict resolution. When it comes to conflict resolutions in families, you have no fire service. Yes, that Bema and in the bush of one table. Now, if you dare not, now what try as a matter? If you to me, ban the book round with you because who could call your ban is our day pan one tree. So, share or yere or call with you now, ban. Press out the buyer, no, so one take it good care, one free about the Sahawa, you know. At the end of the day, how do you help your husband or your wife in conflict resolution? How do you support your wife to stand against the forces that are coming? How do you stand behind Ukunu in solving the problem? Yes. And soon be and I say, now we're in the mame and I need papa your presence alone can calm down things. If you are a responsible in-law, to make things look like only we are more fighting but we are in-law papa and I say we are so bema. That's the issue. How would you handle it? You listen to both sides and you have to know how you handle it. Obi de buy na so di mire obi nso buy na no we read the. Yes, and if it becomes like that jano the kukuru ni nyaya ke krakra no so enjai da because always e ja de busia fio enti ukuko obe obabia na hu se de bia na koma so yiri kono obabia na hu se de bi enyoma amfa se ne tie and yenja ono so se na me kan no ebia no ni ye tisi ka boom ade share no ana wayi nani amaye nti why ne be jahano but who you kunwa how would you help your wife handle issues face this form of I mean test and answer this. It is a big one. Nti handling a year in-laws in marriage and I say handling in-laws no any other family members you need to be very skeptical. You need to have wisdom. You need to know. And whatever you have to act. Be the man, be the woman you have to be. No, you get it wrong. The needed actions. Because on mama about the action by Nekasa. On the moon say yes, we love you. One way you now free or no. Now I didn't go on. But the position in that level and now position in that manner. Now banner and now Kasakasa understand you or kind of who send in your matia, I think there will be more peace than ever. But this is what majority of us are failing to understand. And so here to me can't baby, but now branch and so baby just because we have school fees for one term. School fees for one term. Bearman and to me and a dini a year I'm running a bonana and to 12 better to I ask myself why. But you have your school fees now, but one term of pedia amano or yerene and so on akabum, and then they are making fun of the husband. Obani yadi kitwebi. He say Bearman in Yano man and they a kind of saying. And so no akabum, a whole lot is going on. But I ask myself, is that the most appropriate thing that we can do?
Matthias,
good. So I don't know whether you have something or if I could still continue because of time.
Because of time, your point is because yes.
Yes, it is just what I'm saying. We can all help make it a better place.
Sure.
The institution of marriage name and so no. They are wonderful people. They are wonderful people. They are always on their knees praying for the success of the marriage. Why? But in your mouth, you never trigger. I'm after sending you I think I'll end on this note and tell people that no, we have a lot of things to do. Let's back up. And I know you will surely get there.
Sure. Ya better ask upon ya dinya ya gusu anya yesu ade anisa nti yenya yehu ekwan ya be fa so ne yense won mo atena without huge or big conflicts being at the bia. That's it. Yeah, sure. So next week so you will come again with a different thing. All right. So yeah, the counselor and the couldn't come on counselor to him. And yesu ade ye papa. Be sure so